Okay, thank you.
Pointing to the center line. Right there. Now, we don't need everything on here to draw, just so you know. The next thing you must have is the addendum circle and the dedendum circle for the crest and root. Okay? So they show them here. Now, they've got like addendum circle and addendum right next to each other. The circle is the diameter that goes all the way around, but the addendum is the distance linearly in a straight line from the pitch diameter to the crest of the tooth. The addendum circle goes all the way around, so you have two of those, right, because it's a diameter. So the
That's
finger-
labeled the root circle on here, right?
No, that's the addendum is the crest or major
Oh,
diameter.
no, the
The dedendum is the distance at the bottom. You see it shown right here. It's the distance from the pitch diameter to the base of the tooth. Or the root circle.
So you could have either the addendum circle or the addendum.
Yes,
And is the crest would be equal to the addendum circle?
that is correct. Yeah, so when you're looking at the tooth, you got three lines that are very important. And in fact, when you look at the ANSI simplified method for displaying gears, you lay out the pitch diameter and then you offset for the addendum, offset for the dedendum, and you've now shown it.
So they call it the working depth circle on this one?
No, that's different.
Where's the?
What are you looking for?
Where's
The
where's
root
addendum?
circle, he
Okay,
said.
so here's the addendum is the distance linearly from the pitch to the crest. The dedendum is this one, the distance from the pitch to the root.
Yeah, so where's the?
The root circle right here is also a dedendum circle. You know, they show an addendum circle here. The root's the same as the dedendum circle.
So you've just gotta have some combination of everything. You could have a root circle and an addendum.
Yes.
And still be okay.
Right. And the thing you want to understand is how these are all related to each other, because a lot of times you're going to use them. Can I calculate tooth height, say, on the, that information?
Yes.
Yeah. If I know the root circle, or let's just say, if I know the pitch circle, can I lay out these two? Yeah, if I know the addendum and dedendum, I just do an offset. That gives me the top and the bottom. Can I measure the whole tooth height? Yeah. I can get it because that's the addendum plus the dedendum. All right, the next kind of important one here is the working depth circle. This one right here, or the working depth, I guess. We do a circle on it, but it is the distance. I'm putting the whole depth, not working depth. Here's working depth right here. Okay, working depth, notice it comes down to just shy of the bottom of the tooth. Working depth, what do you think that one might represent?
Is that how far the teeth go into the gear?
Yep. How far the mating tooth comes into the gear. Conversely, the clearance is shown at the bottom. That's how much of the tooth will not be used. So clearance and working depth also equal the tooth height. Another important one here is the base circle.